Let's move on to the next category, which is the Best Service Provider to Legal Sector of the Year. Could we have the winner, AV, please? Ladies and gentlemen, for the Best Service Provider to the Legal Sector of the Year, it goes to Legal League Consulting. Congratulations to the entire team. May I request now Deepika Anand and Nipun Bhatia to kindly join us on the stage and screen on behalf of Legal League Consulting to accept the award for Best Service Provider to the Legal Sector of the Year. Deepika and Nipun. Yes, we can see you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Over to you.
Yeah, all right. Thank you so much, everybody who's there. The journey of 10 years of Legally Consulting has been very fulfilling, challenging, and interesting. And we are privileged to be able to value add to the legal profession in different facets. This award goes to all our clients, all those who have supported us in this endeavor, which has been so unique and different. And finally, my team, and with a very, very special mention to Nipun Bhatia, who's right there. And we also thank the esteemed jury and business world, and of course, Anurag, whom I have known for very long and is indeed a dynamic businessman and has done great and is doing now great work for the legal industry. Hats off to you, Anurag. And also cheers to all of you. Thank you so much. Nipun, you want to say something?
It's a very exhilarating moment for all of us because 10 years of hard work, and thanks to BW Legal and such a coveted platform for recognizing our work. I thank to all our clients. A lot of you are present here. Thanks for giving us a chance. And it's been amazing to work for this maverick woman, Vitika, whose vision to transform and bring professionalization to the whole business, to the whole legal sector. It's been great. And I thank all of you. Thank you so much.
Congratulations, Vitika ji, and congrats, Mr. Nipun.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Vitika, and congrats, Nipun. And you know, it's the first time somebody called me a good businessman, so I feel like I got an award. So thank you so much.
Thank
you know, I do things out of passion, and we try to be a perfectionist. And you know, it's really the jury that makes the awards and the time they spend. So I'm really grateful to the jury. That's what differentiates. We're only custodians of the process. And as the award goes by to third, fourth year, I think we'll be close to perfection. So really grateful again to the jury members.
Absolutely.
Ms. Geeta Luthra and Justice Deepak Mishra for being here today, as well as making so much time on the day of the jury meet. And I'd like to let all the winners know that the first day we could not complete. You know that some of you have to come on the second day, and Justice Mishra was kind enough to allocate time, and so were a lot of other jury members. So really grateful to them again. These are early days for BW Legal World, but we would make a difference. So thank you so much again to the jury, and congratulations to you, Vitika and Nipun.
Thank you, Dr. Batra. Ms. Luthra?
Anurag's being very kind, but thank you, Anurag. You are the force behind it all, as you know, and I think you're doing a brilliant job. Thank you, Vitika. Thank you, Nipun, and congratulations. Great job. May you keep doing as well and even better.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you and congratulations. Well, ladies and gentlemen, with